Challenge is lesson 2. You're going to need 3 rolled up socks or 3 small objects. You can also use small stuffed animals, and then you can use that small stuffed animal as one of your objects to toss for the sit-up challenge. You will notice that during my sit-up challenge, I use a small squishy ball. Something to record your scores, and then you will transfer those scores into your final scorecard. Your first challenge, you're going to hold a plank and move 3 objects over to one side. Every time you transfer those 3 objects while holding that plank position to one side, you get 1 point. You're going to have 60 seconds, and you're going to keep track of your points in this 60-second challenge. Are you ready? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Holding that strong plank here. Keeping track of those points, you got 30 seconds. Final 12. Last 2. And time. Challenge number 2. You will do a sit-up and toss your stuffed animal or rolled up sock in the air. At the top, you will catch it on your sit-up. You will count how many sit-ups and tosses and catches during your sit-ups that you can do in 60 seconds. Get ready. On your mark, get set, go. Sit up, toss that stuffed animal or that ball, catch it, and then right back down. Make sure you keep track of your sit-ups here. You got 60 seconds. You're down to 45 more. Ten seconds left. And time. Record your score for challenge 2. Just write it down on a piece of paper as you will fill out an electronic Google form with all of your scores at the end. Challenge number 3. You will balance on one foot for 60 seconds. You're going to count how many times your other foot touches the ground and try to touch it as little as possible to the floor. So trying to hold that single leg balance for 60 seconds. Get ready. On your mark, get set, go. For 60 seconds here, balancing on one foot. Every time your foot touches, you're going to count that. You're trying to get the least amount of foot touches as you can. Keep going. You got 45 seconds. This is a hard challenge to try to keep your balance. You have 30 seconds. Now try to close your eyes. You're doing well. You got 20 seconds. I'll help you out with that time. Your last 15. 10 seconds to go. Final 5 seconds. And time. You will record your score for challenge number 3. You will take your paper scores and you're going to complete the final electronic scorecard. Clicking on that link in Schoology or Seesaw will take you to your electronic scorecard that looks like this. Week 5, physical challenge scorecard. Your name, your grade, how many sit-ups did you do in 1 minute? You will record your score. How many times did you transfer your 3 objects while holding a straight arm plank? And then how many times did your foot touch the ground in that 60 seconds? And then what 3 physical activities did you enjoy the most of these challenges? And how does physical activity improve your health? And then make sure you hit the submit button. Great job, team.